Hey everybody, it's Lizzy B. Gold from Lizzy's Alkaline Kitchen. Super, super, super duper excited. Very, 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 very happy woman here. Happy Sebian. I'm gonna run this down really quick, guys. We're gonna make this short, sweet, and simple. Guaco, blue vervain, sasaparia, chickweed, Guinea henweed, also called anamu, hoja santa, ashwagandha, burdock, capadula, mullein, ginger, red clover, and this is arnica. We've got the Iron Plus Vera Frugal, Iron Plus Immuno, BioLim, the Nurture Digest, and the Uterance 2. We've got the Econervi, the Indigo, and the Chelate Nature. Cuacia, Yellow Dock, Dandelion Root, Soursop Leaf, some more Dandelion Root, some more Burdock Root, Echinacea. This I forgot to label, but I'm 100% sure that, oh, as a matter of fact, this is the catnip. This one I forgot to label, but I'm pretty sure that it's ground sage. This is the Capendula, I believe. Calendula. Star anise, burdock, rose hips. Okay. In the refrigerator, we've got the whole ginger, the juiced kale, the juiced cactus. We've got the coconut. We've got the juiced prickly pear and the prickly pear, kiwi, orange, apple, cactus smoothie. We've got our figs back there and our dates. And those are tamarindo on a spoon, which you can stir up for your tea if you get hungry. Okay. You've got all of these butternut squashes that you see, and all of these squashes are what I'm going to be making for the baby. You've got your pectin. You've got your, this is sesame butter, raw organic sesame butter. We'll talk about that later. But this is your bag of onions, because you guys know I'm going to do the onion apple drink. So you've got that. You've got your mango. That is an approved fruit to fast on. Those pears are for my daughter, and the mushrooms are portobellos. Those portobellos are going to be dried out for her because she loves dried mushrooms. You've got your Roma tomatoes. Got to make ketchup for the kids so she can eat while I'm doing what I got to do. You've got your key lime. Real key lime. Not regular lime, but your key lime, okay? This is also, I'm going to get pectin from the key lime because the key lime is 100% Dr. Sebi approved. These are all going to be used to make pectin and key lime juice, which is really good for the colon. You've got your avocados down here. This is for the baby, of course, and the wild Queen Anne lace carrot, which I showed you guys before. I'm not going to take them all the way out, but you've got some Queen Anne's lace down here, also very medicinal. That tub back there, that old cookie tub, that's not cookies, guys. That's powdered bromide. That's what I use to make the bromide gel in the morning. This is the bromide gel, okay? Fresh squeezed orange juice, walnuts, because the kid runs around eating walnuts dipped in the gabi. That's one of her favorite snacks, okay? You got the fiber from the kale. I told you guys to save that so you can fry it and make kale patties, and I'll show you how to do that as well. Ginger. This is how you're gonna, excuse me, this is how you're going to preserve your ginger, okay? These are ready to come out and get boiled up this morning. I've de-thawed them from the freezer, and they're going to get boiled up, chopped up, and make some tea. That is the key lime juice that I have left over. As you guys know, I've switched brands to 100% organic, no preservatives, just for when you don't have time to juice your key limes. And I've told you about the pectin down there already. That jar, it says raspberry preserve on there, but that's not what's in there. I dumped all that out and made Idea some strawberry preserve, so that's what's in there. You've got your pomegranate, just in case you need something to munch on, and I've already got my pomegranate here and ready to go, just in case I need something to munch on. This is my Nepal. I've already got it in here, drying out in the refrigerator, already gutted and ready to go. It has not been cooked. It's only been roasted over my oven, so it is still raw. It's barely been roasted, and it's already gutted. this is what I'm going to be using when I need to make more of that wonderful cactus juice. And you can sit it in there just like that. It's beautiful. So this is me preparing for my fast. I showed you guys all my tubs of kale and prickly pear. I'm doing this second video on a rush. My daughter was in a bit of a mood this morning. Sorry guys, but she is happily watching her TV in her room now, so I can go through this with you guys. This ginger and the ginger powder I'm going to actually mix with one of my herbs. I haven't figured out which one yet. Make a nice strong tea to make sure that I don't feel any pain. Now, other than that, guys, keep this book near you. This is my my journal that I do. Journal everything. Write down everything that you do. If you don't have this book, you need to get this book and keep it in your kitchen like a cookbook. Mine stays with me at all times, really, no matter where I'm at. He's got 2 books. As you guys know, this is, I cannot say this enough. You need to go buy the Alkaline books. He's the only author who has put all of his compounds in writing with all the ingredients. He did that for us guys, and he didn't have to. So get this. I keep it near to me because it's got a really good breakdown of the herbs and how you're going to be feeling. As you guys can see, I was doing some research on arnica and anamu, so I add my own herbs to the list as well. This is a really good book to start your compounds, guys. And this is how I'm actually going to use Alkaline as a basis to make a compound of my own that I've been thinking about with the ashwagandha to get rid of stress. All my mommies, all my women, all my single parents in general. Parenting can be incredibly stressful. And when you're trying to do a fast to kill a detrimental disease, stress is a big no-no. You have to be in a 0 stress zone, which, as you guys know, is pretty impossible when you've got children. So the ashwagandha is what's going to help with that. I'm going to do an ashwagandha regimen with the prickly pear juice for the next 3 days, and then we're going to hit hard and heavy on these herbs, okay? I love you guys. We're going to make this the end of the live video because I'm going to have to do the same thing for YouTube viewers and post it here in just a little while. And I will also be posting instructions on what I'm going to do with all of these beautiful things that I have here. Okay. Everyone has been asking me about this bottle in particular because it's something that they've never seen. They've never seen it in the Dr. Save You packages. But you're not going to see this in the Dr. Save You packages. This is something that is created by carbon cell compounds. And it is powerful and it is beautiful. This is going to cleanse your nervous system, guys. Your nervous system, as you know, you've got your central nervous system, you've got your peripheral nervous system. You can get with carbon cell compounds and get you a compound that's going to clear that nervous system. Nervous system tells your body what to do. It tells you how to feel, how to act. As far as your muscles and your emotions and your sensory and your motor, it's incredibly important. So you're definitely going to want to get that. Go if you have a particular illness that you want to look at in particular, just hit up Triple C. Tell them what's going on, or go to the website, and they've even got specialized stuff. But I have so much because I am doing the full cleanse, and I'm also doing my own compounds. So everything that you see here from Triple C is the guaco, blue vervain, aspidia, chickweed, guinea hen, burdock, the uterance, NutriDigest, BioLymph, Immuno Plus, Iron, Iron Plus, Veriprogal, Henry, Chelate Nature, Indigo. I know this stuff is starting to sound familiar to my Sebians over here. The Coatia, Yellow Dock, Soursop, Dandelion. These, and I've got some purple sea moss coming. I've got some more sarsaparilla coming. Because as you can see, carbon cell pounds does tell you the source. I've got some from Jamaica here. I've got some from Egypt here. It tells you the source on the bottle. I've got some from Brazil here. I've got some from Mexico here. I've got some from the USA here. It's written on the bottle. You know where your herbs are coming from. You're not going to have that problem. I've got some from Asia. Okay, so we've got Jamaica, Brazil, Mexico, USA, Asia. Let's see what else we've got here. Egypt. So we're pulling Africa in. You know, This is the real deal, guys. And as you can see, the mason jars, you guys know, are the ones that I forage myself from right here in Roanoke, Virginia. You can do this. We're going to do it together. I'm going to do it live. Everyone knows that I've been battling this sickness and battling this disease for 13 years. No doctor can even diagnose or help me. This is God's food. This comes from God. This is of God. God is nature. They are one and the same. So therefore, you put these herbs into your body, you heal the body, you cleanse and detox the body, and you're good to go. I'm very anxious to crack these bottles open. My fingertips are itching, but I must do a 3-day empty out cleanse before I touch anything. And this is day 1 of the empty out. And I'm going to be doing a lot of videos. You guys actually help me, because by keeping you guys in the loop, I'm keeping myself on track. So we are going to be jam-packed with videos for the next 90 days on YouTube and on Facebook Live, so that you guys can get a good idea of what's going on. I will show you guys something very personal just to give you an idea of what I'm healing. My condition causes my body, inside and outside, all over, to do this. You guys see that? That is a giant ulcer on my leg that is healing on its own with no medicine from a doctor. And it's healing. You want to know what I did? I drank burdock, guys. Burdock and bromide. And as you can see, it's over half of my leg. Now, can you imagine those open wounds all over your body, inside and out? That is what I'm battling, and have successfully battled for 12 months now since I faced Sebian. And this is going to be the answer. It's going to be a blood cleansing, cellular, therapeutic, full detox cleanse. Break your body down to the core and build it back up. Rashida, Grand Rising, this is carbon cell compounds. You guys always